So, good day, ma'am. I will present my mini system, which is the movies management system for your subject, ma'am. This is my video. So first, this is the movie. This is the Python file, which is movies.py. So importing SQL and then the package plus this one, the login user. Then, dito po sa part na to, ito po yung para sa API get, which is the read all. And then, yung pangalawa po, API, also API, which is the read one, dahil may ID. So, only one po yung ma-show. Tapos, pangatlo po yung create naman, which is the create movie. The methods is post, and then inserting to TBL movie. TBL movies. This is the attributes, the movie ID, title, genre, director, actor, release year, duration, rating, quantity, and price. And then next naman po is update. Update naman na data. Then last naman po yung delete method. And then isa lang po pwede delete dahil specific po siya dahil meron siyang ID. Sa part naman to, ito yung homepage. Excuse me. Homepage. And then read all. Read all movie. Also, dito naman po yung sa website or Edge. Yung kanina po na pinakita ko para po sa Postman. Dito naman is para sa website or the Edge website. And then, create movie. And dito po yung crude din. Create. Tapos, insert into TBL movies, which is the database. And then, view one. View one. Tapos, yung edit po. Siyempre, edit. And then, ay, then, the database DB underscore movie. Tapos, plus, and then, ito po yung home, tapos, tsaka lang po if gre-record pa, home, and then index, and then the read or the view, and then the view, also the view, tapos add naman, yung view po kanina, which is ito po yung parang view 1, tapos add movies, and then the edit. Tapos, I also use Bootstrap po. This, here, the static. The static. And then, let's try po. I-run. Run movies. Tapos, ito, admin 1, 2, 3, enter, then, the home, let's do movie. Meron na po akong sample dito, sample data. So, let's create po. Tapos, meron na rin akong ready na data para hindi na ID. Let's try 6 naman. Interstellar, title, genre, science fiction, director, Christopher Nolan, Doctor Matthew McConaughey. Release year 2014, durations 2 hours and 49 minutes. Then the rating is PG-13, quantity 20, and then the price is 280. Save movie. Save movie. Let's check on SQL. Here the Interstellar. Tapos naman, isa pa. Let's try 7 naman po. Ay, 7. Try natin yung, isa. Try natin yung The Batman. Ay, The Batman. Crime. Genre, crime. Director, Matt Reeves. The actor is Robert Pattinson. Release year 2022. Duration 2 hours and 56 minutes. Rating PG-13 also. 138, and then price is 380. And check po natin sa database if pumasok. Yan po, pumasok po, which is the 7. So, lang po. Alisin ko lang po ito para di sagabal. Ay, pasensya na po. Ano ba yan? Mga lumang notes. Tapos po, let's view. View, then view, back, then view, back. Then let's try to edit naman po. Let's try this, the Batman. The Batman and Robin. The Batman and Robin, a big movie. Ayun, The Batman and Robin. Let's try to check. Ayun po, The Batman and Robin. And then, isa pa po, try natin edit itong Spider-Man. Spider-Man into Gagamboy. Update. Gagamboy. Ayun po. Tapos, check po natin dito. Ayun. Na-edit po siya, Gagamboy. So, again, let's try the delete function. Delete. Delete. Check natin din sa database. Ayun, na-delete nga po. Isa pa, the yung Interstellar, delete po natin yun. Ayan, na-delete po. Try natin check dito. Ayun, na-delete naman po. So, sa Postman naman, try po natin sa Postman. So, first thing is to copy this URL and then paste po dito. And then that's where my notes. Ito po yung notes ko. The API movies. Ito po yung parang read all. Read all. Tapos lumito naman. Tapos pangalawa, ulit. Copy ulit. Ito naman po yung parang, ito po yung read 1 naman. Read natin tong Avatar The Way of Water, which is the movie ID number 5. Let's try it here. Movie number 5. Send. Ayun po, lumitaw naman. And then, next naman po, which is the create. So, how to create kasi. Meron po sample dito. Sample na data. And post. Then body row piece. But I forgot this URL. Let's copy. And then movie added. Check po natin sa database. Ayan po, the Batman. The Batman. So, after create, the update naman po, try natin yung update. So, copy ulit dito. Copy, and then, asan kasi yung notes ko? Update. Asan yung update po natin tong generate natin, which is the Batman. Put body, copy lang po ulit ito, and then paste dito. Try naman natin the Batman and Gagamboy. Okay, send. Okay po. Movie updated successfully. Try natin check sa naman. The Batman and Gagamboy. Number 3. Daming kakulab ni Batman. Next naman is the delete. Add naman tayo. Copy the URL. And then paste naman po dito. Yung 3 po is para dun sa in-update natin. Ay, yung unang kinreate and then in-update. Tapos po, dun sa i-record pa ba? Hello. Tapos, delete. Yung number, ID po yan yung number 3. So, send. Ay, wait lang, nagkamali po. Dapat po dito ay delete. Ayan po. Delete. And then, boom. Movie deleted successfully. So, check po natin sa database. Ayun po, nawala po. Try naman po natin ulit i-delete itong si Batman and Robin. Postman. Ano kasi ang ID yun? 7. So, change this 3 into 7. Then, message, movie deleted successfully. So, let's check. Sana na-delete nga. Ayun po, na-delete naman. So, yun lang po, ma'am. Sana po ay nag-enjoy po kayo sa panonood and sana ipasa po niyo ako. Thank you so much po.